In 2026, the market is awash in what I call trash tech. Products designed not for longevity, but for planned obsolescence, engineered to fail just past their warranty. It is a cynical cycle, one that bleeds professionals of both capital and invaluable time. But occasionally, a piece of hardware emerges that quietly defies this trend. The SANSUI 34-inch curved gaming monitor is one such anomaly, a robust tool in a sea of disposables, built for the discerning eye. Time, for us, is a non-renewable asset. Every millisecond wasted is a financial drain, a missed opportunity. This display, with its blistering 165 Hz refresh rate, is not merely about smoother gameplay. It is about instantaneous visual feedback, about removing the micro-stutters that compound into minutes of lost focus over a workday. That 1 millisecond MPRT response time is not a gimmick. It is the elimination of ghosting and blur, ensuring clarity in high-speed data analysis or precision design work. Imagine reclaiming 10 minutes of your morning simply by eliminating visual latency. And then there is the ultra-wide quad high-definition resolution, 3,440 by 1,440 pixels. This is not just more screen real estate. This is the ability to run multiple complex applications side by side, eliminating the constant Alt-Tab cycle, the cognitive load of window management that buys back segments of your day, cumulatively adding up to hours, perhaps even days, over a single fiscal quarter. This is not a luxury. It is a strategic investment in efficiency. Pick up a lesser screen and you feel the plastic flex, the hollow chassis. This SANSUI monitor, however, possesses an industrial heft, a reassuring weight that speaks of robust internals. It spans over 31 inches across, offering an expansive visual canvas without the flimsy feel of budget panels. The curvature, a tight 1500R, draws you into its field of view, minimizing eye strain across a broad span of visual information. This is not a feathery disposable unit. You sense the cold, dense metal of its ergonomic stand, the zero-flex chassis designed to dampen vibration and resist desk movement. At roughly 24 pounds of solid engineering, this monitor is a substantial presence on your desk, reflecting a clear commitment to durability rather than cost-cutting. It's built to stay put, to endure. Now, some might note the absence of integrated speakers, or the differing refresh rate capabilities across its dual HDMI and dual DisplayPort connections. This is not an oversight. This is a deliberate, pro-only trade-off. Professionals understand that integrated speakers are rarely adequate. The soundstage is thin, the clarity compromised. This monitor instead pushes its budget into core display performance. You bring your own precision audio, your own studio monitors, or your high-fidelity headphones. The varied refresh rates across inputs simply mean you understand the optimal connection for your specific workload, utilizing the full 165 Hz through DisplayPort for critical tasks, and accepting a more relaxed 100 Hz over HDMI for secondary inputs. It is a design choice that prioritizes peak performance where it matters most, trusting the user to configure their setup for maximum advantage. In the current global climate, particularly heading into 2026, supply chains are unpredictable. Inventory ebbs and flows, and prices move with the daily tides of demand and availability. This is not a static market. It is a dynamic landscape where securing critical hardware at an opportune moment is a strategic move, not a casual purchase. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.